Hey you guys, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Alright you guys, so I'm going out with Beverly. Sorry, Venice. Venice, say hi guys. Keep that thing on the floor. Don't pick anything. Say good morning. Say hi guys. Say hi guys, baby. We're under the sun, you guys. Let's get into the car. Get in. Mama, come in. Okay, so we're going out. We want to go. We want to go and do some printing. Baby, I better bring my cord. Want to go and do some printing, you know. And then there's this particular flash that one can use, you know, transferring things from phone to laptop without using cord, you know. So that's actually what I want to go and look for too. Yeah, so and then do some printing, some photograph printing too, and then yeah, so that's it. That's where we're going. Venice hair is grown, squeezing, and needs to be made, but I kind of feel it's still too short. Mama, say good morning. Say good afternoon. Say good afternoon. So you guys, it's afternoon. I don't know why I keep on greeting good morning all the freaking time, you know. All right, you guys, let's go. Mazi is driving.
Hi guys.
Company saying, greeting card, this is what to do for you. For your birthday,
I just mean meet you. Just my Peter for that. I meet you. Say that. Why you no go give them price? You tell it you have me for you one more. Eh?
You got one guy waiting here. That guy will spoil my memory card that time. What's up? How is business? So what about that one that you can put inside phone like this, and then you can also put it inside laptop? It has 2 mounts.
This dot drive, can they connect it to phone and also laptop? This
Which
dot
flash
drive.
is that? Which that is? Which one?
This one,
Okay, the one. Okay, that's still good. Yes. But you should know, their prices are not the same.
This is 16,
How much?
4, 5. Then the free is 6,000.
It has one that you can turn it in. This one is so like expose.
Huh?
Hey guys, so my soup is ready. I'm actually cooking the soup. My soup is ready. Now I'll have to dish, portion, and serve. Okay, where's the push plate? Are we not saying please? What is eating? Has he eaten already?
No, I just want to ask you.
Where's the plate? Did he eat before?
No.
And so why are you not asking him if he's eaten? When he has not eaten?
Oh, he said no. Yeah, I said yes again.
He's joking with you. In that he has been waiting for this soup to turn. Don't come and tell him now. You.
Who said to be spying this night? You don't used to eat plenty like.
Just small. It's okay. It's not too much, huh? But it's okay, sure.
Ah. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? So we're eating. Come and join us. You like the soup, right?
Yeah, the soup is so delicious. They've seen it everywhere we are eating. I do think they are letting them we are swimming.
From Africa.
Venice is eating. Anything we eat, Venice wants to eat. We are eating. I could remember those days when my dad was alive. She used to carry, sorry, did I say she? He used to carry my younger sister, the way I'm carrying Venice like this. That was when I knew that daddies and their daughters
Friends.
yes. There's this special connection. Delicious, soup is so delicious.
Thank you. I gauge everything.
Thank you. The mother is sitting up and I'm eating. You don't want the garlic. See how she just good. Sugar one.
One water.
One
Water.
water. Is it good? Bernice is special. She eats anything. As long as she sees me and my wife putting it in our mouth, she will eat it too. Even if it's pepper, she will eat it.
I should carry you. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. How are you? All right, you guys. So it's another beautiful day. Tutu. Tutu. Hi. Hi. Say hi. So the people that are meant to be in school have gone to school. The ones that are meant to be in the house are in the house. That's why you can see us in the house. You guys, us like making more noodles to eat. I want to eat noodles this morning. My onion. What about this man? She'll come to this place, carry spoon, and go inside the store and carry pot. I mean, mixing it together. Venice wants to cook. My eyes are turning. Welcome. Your toy. Let me wash your toy for you. Carry me. That's carry me. I'm me. If she wants to say leave me, she say in me. Take. Don't throw it. I'm using fresh pepper to cook the noodles. How to eat now?
Now to eat fufu. A single man. Hi guys, I forgot to say hi guys. Hi guys.
I can't join me. I don't know how to eat hot food, but I cannot be patient and wait for this food to get cooked.
Okay, you also want to sit on the seat. Yeah, sit. I am at Ah, there it is.
You want to sit down?
Since
we are all sitting down.
Let me bring pillar and support so that you come up. Take care.
Oh.
This is Maz. I'm eating my fufu. I can't stay 24 hours without eating fufu. I know there are people like me.
There are plenty.
I cannot stay 24 hours.
Especially men. There are some women too that cannot stay for long without eating swallow.
No. That is what we are trained with. Eat your egg, okay? You don't want.
No, you. Did she bite?
I don't know why you don't like eating swallow with draw soup.
I beg. You think they go too much?
Oh, that is the sweet part of it. You don't be going.
And that is what I don't like. He's choking around inside the egg.
Problem with draw soup. It's very stressful to eat.
So you have to do like
You have to be
cutting it. See what you're doing.